Mag-classmate kami ng college. First year college, mag-classmate kami. Then, may boyfriend pa ako noon. So, friends kami noon. Medyo sinasabay-sabayan niya ako noon kumain, ganyan. Ever since first year talaga. May, ewan ko nung nakita ko siya first day, may iba akong naramdaman sa kanya. Nakakaiba, na parang nag-blurred yung paligid, ganun. Hindi ko alam. Parang dun ko nasabi na siya na pala din yung makakatuluyan ko.
Know every word you're gonna say before you even
Tayo
think.
ngayon ay nakakatipon-tipon dito sa simbahan ng parokya ng San Felipe Neri upang ating saksihan ang pag-iisang dibdib at pagtanggap ng sakramento ng kasal nina Amba at Mitzi. Ito'y nagpapaalala sa atin ng grasya ng Diyos sapagkat si Amba at si Mitzi ay sumusunod sa kalooban ng Diyos.
Forever.
10 years, well, it's been ups and downs talaga. Pero proud ako na kayanan namin yung mga struggles. Talagang dumaan kami sa butas ng karayom para lang makarating dito. Ilang beses kami na nadapa, pero sabay kaming bumangon dalawa. And also, with the help of our God, unti-unti kaming nakabangon.
I bet we already knew our names before we met each other. I bet we've sailed the Milky Way, walked on the sun together. How
Thank you.
could I find
Huwag mo pababayaan si Mitzi.
they took me
Sana lagi kayo masayang dalawa.
Sobrang happy ako ngayon kasi talagang pinaghandaan natin tong kasal. Sobrang thank you. Excited na ako makasama ka habang buhay.
I missed your face. I knew that smile from miles away. I knew that I have loved you forever and a day. A day. In all my lives, I've waited every time to hear you say, I'm yours forever and a day. I don't believe in destiny, but I might have to say, your melodies, they're changing me. I'm yours forever and a day.
Mark Neal, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Mitzi Pauline na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, 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 Father.
Baka nagsyabu ito.
Rain in the valley and sun overhead. Blue sky is calling, let's just take a breath. And I feel so free. Another adventure is sure on its way. Let's take a picture before we escape. And I feel so free. And now we're breaking through. Can you feel it too? We're breaking through. Somehow.
Samba, you may kiss the bride.
breaking down. Can you feel it too?